why this is a big box. Right then, a little bit different today. Not clothes yet, not yet. Not Lego for my new Lego channel, by the way. Adelesexyuk Lego. Go check it out. The 4th video will be going on today. Good video. Anyway, back to this video, shall we? Just check that one out. Also on Patreon, Adelesexyuk. Go find me. Yes. Right. We went shopping to Tesco's for some food. We came back with a lawnmower. We did. We came back with a lawnmower. A Flymo, to be exact. £45. Now, we needed a new lawnmower because the one that Mr. Bruce has been using is kind of like falling to pieces and is now at the tip. We took it this morning, knowing full well we was opening this one today. Let's hope it works. Yes. So yes, it's a Rollermo. It's a powerful electric wheeled lawnmower with a rear roller for lawn stripes and easy cutting over edges. Right, that's all the different languages. It's 32 centimetres and 100 watts. Does it go in watts? Is it watts for W? It is watts, isn't it? Yeah. 3 cutting heights, 20 to 60 millimetres. I'll let Mr. Producer play with that. So it's a rear roller for stripes and cutting over edges. Easy to carry, liking it. It's heavy though. Just look and see if there's anything else that you need to be told about it. Excuse me, I've just had a glass of mixing. Yes, after this video, there will be a video. Not sure where it's going to go. Don't know whether it's going to go on my Patreon or my lovely YouTube. But there'll be one of me cutting the lawn. Yes. So it's a powerful electric wheeled lawnmower with a rear roller for lawn stripes and easy cutting. Not really bothered about the lawn stripes. And what you could do is do somebody's name in the lawn. That'd be interesting. But yeah, with lawn stripes means you have to go in a straight line. And that doesn't really work for me because I'd never mow in a straight line. Yes. You know what you forgot to do, don't you? Bring some scissors. So let me see if my Griffin will do it. Which I haven't mended yet. He's got a tail. We'll see if it's sharp enough, shall we? It's sharp enough. Yes. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't nobody does it better. So yeah, you could have got another set from Tesco's. It was £50, and you got a strimmer with the lawnmower, a Flymo strimmer, but the lawnmower was a lower powerful one. Lower powerful one. Does that make sense? Less power. Less powerful. That's it. Lawnmower. And Mr. Producer wanted the proper heavy duty lawnmower. But there was something else that put you off as well. Can you remember? The strimmer wasn't very good, was it? It was a small one. That was it. So yeah, we went for the £45 one instead. Which was just the lawnmower on its own. Right. Let's have a look at this bad boy, shall we? Piece of cardboard. So you get the pre-pack accessory range leaflet. Okay. So that tells you all about the products that Flymo does. Genuine parts, and if you want to build it, not build it yourself but fix it, they have parts there. Instructions book, we got the Rollermo, so that's it. There's 4 in the series, so we got that one, the Rollermo. And then I think this is the guarantee. Yes, the guarantee. So there's another job for me to do. I don't know, can you do it online? Or yeah, you can register it online, so we'll register it online. But we need the product number and everything and all that hoo-ha. Yes. So right, how do I get this out? There's the handle. You've got to actually build it. It doesn't just come out and clock up. A lot of wire with it. I like that it's orange because then I can see it in the green grass. Do you think they actually brought it out in green first, the wire, and then went, not a good idea. Yeah, not a good idea. is. Oh, yeah. Helps if you take it out the right way around. So, little bits of cardboard. What's that? I thought you said I wasn't going to have to build it. It's not an IKEA lawnmower, is it? You haven't been to IKEA and tricked me, have you? Feeling like it with all the bits. Right, so here's your bucket. Which, is that where all the grass goes? In that one? That's alright then. Wow, it's a little dinky one. Perfect for me. Little dinky ones are. Don't like things big and bulky. It's hard work. Oh, there we go. It's out of the box. That's not too bad. That's quite handy to move around, you know. Right. So that's going to go on the back. Yes. That goes on the front. Does that go on top of the bucket, does it? Yeah, it does. Those match up, look. Sure? Do you want to know what the best thing will be to do? Look at the instructions. If there is proper one. Assembly instructions. Oh, God. A. Place bolt A2 through the hole in the lower handle. Okay, where's the bolts like? Is them there? Is that the bolts? So, I'm presuming, now I am presuming here, that would be too low down. So they're the extensions for that to go into, to make it a taller handle. Yeah? So then you don't break your back. The bolts are already in. Yeah? I don't know where the bolts are to hold these two together though. I don't know that, but... Should you go that way then, do you think? There's no bolts for the... to clip these together. Well, that doesn't go in there. Why does this happen to me? See, that slides on there and that slides on there. Where's all the bits and bobs then to hold it all together? Nothing in the box. I came under the illusion that this was going to be a simple video. Right. The loose parts pack is it says it's packaged underneath the deck. The loose parts pack. So I'm presuming this is the deck. There's your loose parts. Right. Place the bolt A2 through the hole in the lower handle A1. Okay. Quite a few loose parts here. I was wondering where they were, weren't we? It's a bit like the IKEA chair. Wondering where the arms are and they're inside of the back of the chair. Right. So I don't want them at the moment. But I know where that goes. I know where this goes. This goes on here. Look, it's a shield. Right, so there's one loose part dealt with. Right, I still don't know which part is which. Lower handle fits into the recess. that's the upper handle. So that's the upper handle, because it's got the upper hand. And these are the lower handles. So it says goes that way in. Okay. And then that will sit on the side of that. You knew that. You just let me struggle. Don't let me struggle like that, Mr. Producer. So place the bolt A2. A2. Place that, because we're going to work this side first. Through the hole on the lower handle A1 until the lower handle fits in the recess. Okay, so the lower handle's got to go in that bit there. Place the washer. Where's the washer? There's a washer on the end. Place the washer B1 and the whole knob B2 on the bolt and tighten the wing knob. Right. Spare washers are here and the wing knobs are there. There we are. Because those two will probably be the ones that hook on the lower and the upper handle. Right, yeah. Okay. So that's got to go in the recess. And then, which way round does the washer go? Does the smooth part go in, or does the rough part go in? The flat or the rounded side first? Look, that side's rounded, that side's flat. So which side goes in first? I've never known this about a washer. Which way? Does it matter? That's flat, that side, and that's rounded, that side. So the flat side goes in first. Are you sure? Right. So that goes on there. And then, what's this one called? A wing knob. Right. Like that, screws on. You've got to do it tight, it says. It's not tightening. Did I do the thing the wrong way around? The washer? Sure, because it's not tightening at all. Still not. Oh, it is. It's tightening. I had done it the wrong way round, Mr. Producer. You were wrong. I'm not choking anything. I'm keeping it properly on. Right. So we're going that way on, aren't we? Okay. Washer. Flat part goes first. Or is it the other way around? Yeah. It's not going tight again. It is biting. You can feel it. That's gone tighter now than the other one has. We'll leave my wing knobs sticking upwards. Yes. Right. So we have our lower handles in. We do. Our next ones is the upper handles affix onto the lower handles. Right, okay. So that's all your pieces there. I thought they had washers on. I'm missing a washer. There's only a washer on one. There's only a washer on one. There's only a washer on one. Should I have not used a washer? It said to use a washer on them, didn't it? But it's saying to use a washer on these and I'm missing a washer. No, it should be attached to that, like that one is, look. Where? Where? That's the end of the boat. Never mind. Doesn't get a washer. This side doesn't. Oh, I'm going to need you to hold the thing for me. Because it's heavy. Right. So which one does it go in? You'll be alright there, me, won't you? Stand on the bed. There we go. Right. Ensure the upper handle is located correctly with the lock off button on the switch box uppermost. I think so. Ensure the upper handle C1 and the lower handle C2 are aligned correctly. So you can have it whichever one you want. Should we go for the top one or the bottom one? Top, middle or bottom? Bottom. You just want me to say bottom. Right. Fit the bolt C3, washer C4 and wing knob C5. Tighten the wing knob. Fit the cape. Right, we'll do that bit, right. Yep. So we're going for bottom. We'll go for this side first. Have you got it? Because you can, like, keeping it level for me here. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I'm not being awkward, I promise. I am trying to be quick. Right. So, well, now this side's got a washer. The other side didn't have one. Down a bit. My top. Right, that's got to be tightened a lot because it's got to keep it tight together. You can let go now, I think, Mr. Producer. Thank you for your help. There we go. It's getting a bit top heavy now. Right. Ta-da! Now I've got to put the basket on first. So put the basket on the floor. Wait. So the next bit is these three bits. Okay, so that bit clicks into that bit. Like so. And then that bit does go on here, Mr. Producer. You alright? Oh, don't get used to it, me saying that. It's a bit like a cat box, not like a cat travel box. Is it meant to all click in properly? Because it's only like sitting in at the moment. Is it meant to come off that easily? So why is it coming off that easily? What is the problem here? Handle I've done, and then it says just slot everything in. Bit flimsy. Not when it's in. But you can't. It's because I'm on a soft surface again. Don't think it is. I think it's because there's that many to slot in. It's getting them all aligned at the right time. Yeah, that one clicked in the wrong space. Are they meant to go in those slots? Because that seems to have clicked in better. Not in the slots. It's meant to go in the slots. It's going in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The back's not in. Come on. Ta-da! There's that side done. By George, I think I'd done it. I think it's on. They're all slotted in, so. What? That's not from me, is it? Oh, come on. Right, so that's the handle on and the back on, and so now it has to be slotted in here. And this is going to be the fun part. You have to turn my back to you. Or you want to go around that side? No. That's slots in there, keeping the wires out. And that sits in there. So that's it. I think we'll soon find out once it gets going. My lovely new Flymo Rollermo. Pardon? Has it got a propeller? Yeah, underneath. I don't want to turn it over, it all might fall to pieces. There's your propeller. Yeah, do I need to touch it? Do I? But it's metal and sharp. Carefully. That's not a word that I know. It turns like, there we go. How's that? So yes, my lovely, my £45 lawnmower from Tesco's. Now Mr. Producer's going to tidy up. We're going to put the warranty on my office table, and we're going to go outside and cut the lawn. Yes. So thank you for watching. Like the video for me. Subscribe to all of my beautiful channels. Adelesexyuk Lego is a brand new one. We have Adelesexyuk Red, Adelesexyuk USA, Adelesexyuk Pink. Are we on that one today? Adelesexyuk White, we might be on that one today. Adelesexyuk Yellow, Adelesexyuk Yoga, Adelesexyuk Gamer, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram, all at Adelesexyuk. And I'll see you all outside. And there's a box in the way. Do you want to take the lawnmower with me? Yeah. Take that, that is heavy. Get out of the way, Mr. Cardboard. Cool boxer. Good to hide Christmas presents in. Yes. Hi-ho, hi-ho. To have to go where we go without banging the wall or two. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.